Welcome, dear viewers. In this video, we will see these three important um, tools in Excel: SUMIF, SUMIFS. So, how can we apply SUMIF and SUMIFS? Especially sum we have already discussed last time, which is very easy. But how can we apply? How can we apply SUMIF and SUMIFS? So that's very important point that we see today. We have the same data that we have discussed in our last video. We have football team from different countries, and the Champions League. Some of them didn't participate. Some of them participate in Champions League. Uh, Here we have the games they played and the points they earned. So in the first case, let's see the sum. How many games were played by all teams? So in short, to calculate the sum, we write equal sign and then sum, or we write this addition sign and then sum. Both ways are the same, and we can calculate in both ways. So we have here the argument. So we have to just simply select the range of the sales that we want to sum up. So in this case, we want to know the total number of games played, and then put them under bracket, then equal. And in the same way, come here, equal sign, sum, and then put or select the range of sales that um, we want to add up. Then close the bracket, then enter. That's it. So the total points earned by all the teams involved in the game, 593, and the total games played 330. That's how to do a simple summation. That's it. So let's see SUMIF. In the SUMIF is used to uh, uh, add up sales that meet certain criteria. It helps us, or it allows us to sum or to add up those sales that meet a certain criteria. So in this case, let's take teams from Italy. We have we have so many countries here, like England, Germany, Italy. We have about three countries. We are interested only in Italy. In Italy, teams from Italy. So we want to know the number of games played or points earned by teams from Italy. So in this case, we have a criteria. We are identifying a certain country. We have a criteria. So we use, in this case, SUMIF. So in the SUMIF, when you click on it, it shows a range. What range you want to sum up? So we want to sum up the points earned by Italian team, this one. And then I select this range. And then what's the criteria that you are looking for? We are looking for Italian team. So I select Italy. And then what is the sum range? In this case, I made a mistake. We have to be careful. The range should be, the first range um, should be the country. The range should be the country. So it's this country category, and then um, the country Italy, the criteria, and then what do I want to sum up, or the sum range, point is earned. Close the bracket and then enter. That's it. So that's how we do SUMIF. We can go for England only. England team or teams from England, how much points they earned. It's very simple, as we have done it for Italy. We can do it for England, equal sign, SUMIF, and just click on it, and it guides. This is very important. In some computers, it may ask you to write a semicolon. In this case, only comma. So just follow this criteria that's set in your computer. So the range is the country column. I look England from this country column, and then the criteria is England, and then the sum range is point standard. Then I close the bracket and then enter. That's it. That's how we do. That's how we do. How we apply SUMIF on Excel sheet. That's it. And then you may practice this by your own. This is very easy thing. Let's see SUMIFs. SUMIF is little bit different from SUMIF, but if we have well understood the concept of SUMIF, SUMIF is just simply an extension of SUMIF. So in case of SUMIF, we use more than three criteria. So, for example, in this case, let's see England, teams from England, and then teams from England and those who played in Champions League. Yes. So basically we have here two criteria: the country and then those who played in Champions League. So how can we apply SUMIFs in this case? Equal sign, SUMIFs, just click on it, and then it asks sum range first. But in case of SUMIF, it didn't ask us sum range. Sum range came later in case of SUMIF. But in the case of SUMIFs, we first show, or we first write or select sum range. The sum range is, let's say, games played. We can do games played, the sum range. And then what is the criteria? What is the criteria range? The criteria range is, the criteria range one is the country, great. And then what is the criteria? The criteria is England, and then what is the next criteria that we are looking for? The next criteria that we are looking for is those who participated in Champions League. The second criteria is those who participated in Champions League. And then from this range, what we are looking for is only for yes, or those participated in Champions League. Then here we go. This is how to apply SUMIFs. How to apply SUMIFs. Let's do this one for Germany, for teams from Germany. It will be much more clear for you. So don't forget that we are here selective of the country and selective of those teams who involved in Champions League, who participated in Champions League. So two basic criteria, but the requirement is more than three that we enter in the formula bar. So equal sign, SUMIFs, and then the sum range. The first sum range that we are going to check is we're checking with games played. This is our sum range, and then the criteria range is the country column, and then from this column we are looking for Germany, and then the second criteria range is we are looking for those who played in Champions League. This is the second criteria range, and then the criteria is those who played in Champions League, and then we enter. This is how we calculate. This is how we calculate. So if you go to the data, and you can easily identify these things. Let's say we have German 1, German 2, German 3. So among the three teams from Germany, only two teams played in Champions League. two teams played in Champions League. So we can simply add up their games played. 34 plus 34 is 68. So this is how to do how to do um, SUMIFS. I hope you have learned something. Thank you for your time. See you with another video. If you like it, give me a like or subscribe. That would encourage me a lot. Bye bye.